Thank you for considering EZCareMD. We're excited to help you save time and money by giving you access to quality healthcare right from your phone. Let's get started. First, go into your App Store, Android or Apple Store, and search EZCareMD to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it and tap I don't have an account to set up your account. Choose an email address and password and then tap Register. Once your account has been set up, tap Get Started. If prompted, tap Allow to let EZCare know your location. This will give you access to healthcare professionals in your area. Next, fill out your personal information. This is where you'll select the type of visits you'd like. You have two options. Option 1, the bottom one, is a non-membership option, meaning you pay per visit when you use EZCareMD. Option 2, the top one, is the membership option, meaning you pay a monthly fee and get an unlimited number of visits every month at no additional cost. If you'd like to sign up for a membership, go to EZCareMD.com to sign up. You can also do this later if you'd like. For this tutorial, we'll proceed without the membership option. Now you're ready to see a provider. You'll see a list of available providers in your area. There's always someone on call that you can see right away, or you can schedule a time to see a provider at your convenience. For this tutorial, we'll select the See Now option. For your first visit, the app will ask you a few questions about your medical history. It'll save this information so you won't have to answer these questions for your future visits. Now you'll tell your healthcare professional the reason for your visit. You can also attach an image. Next, you'll select which pharmacy you use and the payment method you prefer. You can add a credit card here that can be saved for later use, or you can add your credit card information to your account info from the home screen before you initiate a visit. You'll then be taken to a confirmation page where you can confirm your information and then tap Confirm and Request Visit. Now you'll enter a two-way video chat with your provider where you can discuss your symptoms and figure out a treatment plan to get you back to full health. Once your visit is complete, your provider can call in any prescriptions you may need. You can also rate the service you received and the provider who you saw. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. You can email us at support@EZCareMD.com or call 208-432-1398. Thanks for using EZCareMD.